Yeah, it's like it's not a new one. He exists since already 2 years with a two little edition here in the core of Aruba, but now it's gonna be the first one with a big edition with the 24 hours, two big program, and with a bigger production and logistic. So we wanted to do like a festival under a mass healing moment when a lot of people can meet each other and be immersed in a beautiful experience. So this is why we have like music, DJ, bands, yoga teacher, meditation, static dance, healing music. It's a lot. It's a big mix of a lot of different things. When you like a guest, you can come and enjoy the festival. The morning you're gonna have like different session. The afternoon is other session. You can come only for the morning wellness schedule. You can come for the afternoon. It's like music, DJ, reggaeton, techno, house. It's really like a festival for absolutely everyone. It's gonna be at the Batata Beach Bar. This place is really nice, and when you go and you eat there, you sit and you say, okay, I think I want to do like a festival in this place because it's pretty big, pretty beautiful. You have the sun, you have the beach, you have food, the bar, you have everything. So I was like, okay. And in this place on the island, there is no things like for real. So we were like, so let's just bring the people to this place in Aruba, and let's try to make move in this place because Batata Beach Bar is a really really beautiful place. It's gonna be like a different area. It's gonna be two stage. The coconut stage, it's a lot more for the meditation, yoga, healing music, and then the house, techno, and electro part. And the sun stage is like the main stage, the big stage for all the bands, Tsunami, Aruba, Thai, El Maurice, more reggaeton, world music, carnival music. And also you have some chill spot everywhere. You have some art exposition on the sand. You have bar, you have mojito bar, you have vendor, food trucks. There's a lot of different places during the festival. Okay, so it's gonna be on the 29th of July from 8 in the morning to 2 a.m. And the wellness schedule will be to 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then your musical ways is from 1 p.m. to 2 a.m. 30. You can buy a ticket on Eventbrite online. You can pay. You can buy a ticket on Pay AW. It's like a phone app. You can also go to different gas stations, Citco, Boulevard, Essoville, and Palm Beach. And there is also you can go buy them at the Batata Beach Bar. There is three different of ticket. One ticket is only for the wellness schedule. One is only for the musical wave, and you have also the possibility to buy a ticket for the whole day. And wellness schedule, it's between 40 USD to 50 USD. The musical way is like from 50 to 60. And the whole day, the whole festival with all the activity, it's 70 USD. From the DJ, from the teacher, from the bands, because we really want to show those people and we really want them to give a chance to be like on a big stage. So I really invite you to come and see them because, for example, Thai is gonna do like band show. Tsunami Aruba are coming with the whole band. Elmaris is gonna do like a really new big show with his new songs. There is like a lot of things gonna happen there.